I'm here in our family art museum, and I'm talking about digital museography. Digital museography. It's a field of engineering, a subfield called knowledge engineering, and very important to museums today, especially in the digital age, as we move from the time of real museums, brick and mortar, if you like, to the age of digital museums or digital twins of real museums. I'm looking at a video, for example. Part of my work as a curator is to see the old videotapes, this one from 1970, I believe, and it combines with another video from 1984. The videos were made 14 years apart, and my job a few years back was to combine the two in a video called Two Screen Print Workshops. And in these workshops, I wanted to show the difference between what was done in 1970 at the University of Washington and 1984 at the University of Washington, the year I left the university. This is a look back to 1970, what the students were doing in a workshop which was being taught by two guest professors, Kenneth Auville and Stephen French from the San Jose State University, my alma mater. In the progress of this video, we go from the black and white versions showing the students using various kinds of screen blockouts and pulling their prints with the squeegee and the screen in the traditional way it was taught in 1970 in most schools, including the UW for that summertime. Then we moved to 1984 to a basement workshop owned by Michael Peterson, a completely different approach, where three artists or four artists got together and produced a book, an artist book, a very novel artist book because it used carborundum, it used galvanized steel, it used traditional printing inks and so forth. It was an amazing project in my view, but it was not at the University of Washington in 1984 because silkscreen had ceased to be taught, was no longer taught in the 80s. Anyway, that's a look at what I do in my work as a digital curator. I just wanted to share that with you. And these are online on my YouTube channel, Bill Ritchie, and also this one happens to be a series of 200 videos called playlists. Anyway, you get the idea. There are 5 journals of 200 playlists.